In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a driver's side bumper bracket on your Honda Accord. The process is the same for both sides. Using a trim tool, we're going to take off all the clips on the upper grille. Remove the Phillips head screw on the corner of the bumper. Do the same thing on the other side. We're also going to remove the third row of clips. Start at one corner of the bumper and pull straight out. And disconnect the bumper from the clips. And then do the same thing on the other side. Remove the connector for the fog light. Push on the tab and pull down. Do the same thing on the other side. Once you have your connectors undone, remove the bumper. Remove the two Phillips head screws. On the back of this bracket, where the screws go through, there's going to be two of these little tabs. You're going to reach around, and you're going to push on that little tab and pull the bracket forward. Do the same thing on the other side, and remove the bumper bracket. Install the new bumper bracket, and install the two Phillips head screws. Install the connectors for the fog lights. Do the same thing on the other side. Start at one corner of the vehicle and pop the bumper into the fender. Then pull it around and click it into the other side and under the headlights. Tuck the fender liner in behind the bumper. Install the Phillips head screw. Install the clips into the top of the grille. There should be 4. Install the clips along this line.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.